Hola, hola, señoras, señores, welcome back! Regardless of the season, birds are everywhere. Others are hungry birds. Our garden is being surrounded by different types of birds. Birds that I've never seen in my life. This gave me an idea of why not make them really feel at home in our garden with my homemade bird feeder. In this video, I will share how to make a simple and easy bottle bird feeder. These simple feeders are perfectly functional and can help feed more birds without purchasing expensive bird feeder. We will not only feed their appetite, we'll also give our lawn a colorful boost, and at the same time, we will be helping Mother Earth to do her job. And the best of all, we will recycle our plastic bottles while we feed the birds. Let's gather all the materials needed for this activity. For the bottle feeder, we need plastic bottle, scissor, marker, glue, nails, wire or string, candle, a match or lighter, and artificial flowers or any colorful materials that can be used as a flower. Make sure you clean and dry your bottle thoroughly and remove any labels before using it. Using our marker, put 3 marks around the bottle. Draw and cut out any flower-shaped forms to our art materials. Cut out 3 flower-shaped forms, or depends on how many holes you want in your bottle. They say that birds get attracted into red and yellow flowers, so this is what we're going to use. Glue or stick together your cut out flower-like material and your artificial flower. Put holes in our flower for our water passages. You can use your scissors to cut small holes on our flowers, or use your nails to make small holes. After putting our cut-out flower-like onto our bottle, we will light a candle. Make small holes on your bottle using your heated nails. Just be careful not to burn yourself or to make big fire out of it. And we're done! You can attach a hanger on the bottle using any strings or wire. You may start to fill your bottle with water or a sweet drink or nectar drink, which I included in this video on how to make. You may also do your own design or decorations as you like. Let me know what you came up with. If I can do it, so can you. Let's now prepare the nectar or sweet drink for our birds. With a ratio of 1 cup of brown sugar or white sugar, mix it with 4 cups of water. Or if you want half cup of sugar, add 2 cups of water only. Mix them together until it boils. Let it cool before transferring to our bird feeder. Close the bottle cover well after putting your nectar or sweet drink to the bottle. Once all said and done, you may start to hang your bird feeder to any of your plants or to any trees that you think the birds normally goes or stays. So our bird feeders are now finished. We will just wait for them and to be fed.
I think that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video. And if you like it, please don't forget to put your big thumbs up, share, and subscribe into my channel. I'll see you in the comment section. Muchas gracias. Señora Chávez signing on. Mwah.